For now, huge allegations by Mandi MP-elect Kangana Ranaut. The actor-turned-politician has alleged that she was slapped by a female CISF personnel at Chandigarh airport. Kangana's camp claims the Jawan got aggressive with her over the actor's past anti-farmers remarks. In fact, what we are getting from the CISF at this point is that there is a probe which is underway. The personnel is being questioned. Those are the visuals of Kangana Ranaut leaving the airport, but massive allegations at this point. The actor-turned-politician has alleged that she was slapped by a female CISF personnel at the Chandigarh airport. I'm being joined by my colleague Amandeep. Amandeep, what do we have?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. Now the CISF has launched the probe into this entire incident just because this reported inside the airport in Chandigarh. And in fact, when Kangana was crossing the frisking layer, and even that Kulvinder Kaur CISF Jawan was deployed at that security layer. And even first, Kulvinder Kaur has put the question to Kangana Ranaut regarding the farmers' agitation. And all of a sudden, when Kangana bounced back to Kulvinder Kaur, in retaliation, she slapped her at the frisking point. And in fact, immediately security personnel jumped into the at the spot. And in fact, the airport authorities has also intervened, and immediately Kangana has been put into the safer zone, and that CISF Jawan has taken into the custody inside the airport only. And further investigation is on. CISF is launching their own probe, and airport authorities are taking their own action. They are also inquiring the matter of what had happened. Just because this entire incident has been reported inside the Chandigarh International Airport, so the jurisdiction of taking action is of CISF and airport authorities as well. So we spoke to Sneha, airport authority, airport CEO as well. He said, we are just inquiring the matter. We have intervened into the matter. Once it has been concluded, we will reveal what kind of action will be taken against CISF female Jawan Kulvinder Kaur. So this is how the entire incident has been unfolded, just because Kangana reached Chandigarh International Airport, just because she has to take the flight to Delhi today. After winning, she joining the BJP meeting. She's supposed to meet the BJP leaders in Delhi. So by 4:30, she took her flight, and in fact, before that, she was crossing the frisking layer. So here the incident has been reported. So now probe has been launched, and in fact, CISF will reveal that what kind of action has been taken by the CISF against the CISF female Jawan Kulvinder Kaur, and why this entire incident has been reported. Yes.